Okay, so what we need to do is we need to just backtrack a little bit and make sure that you understand how to translate from exponential to logarithmic form. Miss Meek talked about this in lesson 4.6, but it's good to just review this real quick. If you write this down, this could be a game changer for you, especially if the last lesson was a little confusing. I'm afraid I'm spelling this wrong. Okay, so basically, can I fit form in here? There we go. Okay, so basically this is kind of what I wanted to do, is just write this little device to help me remember things out, and hopefully it'll help some of you. Our exponential form is written like this, and we're going to use a real basic example. 5 squared equals 25. And everybody knows that 5 squared equals 25. But the thing is that, and I'm just going to go ahead and name these. The 5 is called the base. The 2 is the exponent. These are positions that these hold. And 25 is what I call the answer. So base, exponent, answer. And we're really familiar with exponential form. When it comes to logarithmic form with common logs, the answer is going to, or it's going to kind of resemble this. It's going to say log base 5, so that's a subscript, of 25 equals 2. And what you need to know is that when you write it in this format, you have the word log. This is a subscript base. Then you have what the answer is. And then it's equal to whatever the exponent is. Okay, so if you get familiarized with this format, it's going to be very easy for you to go from this format to this format and back and forth. Okay, so take a second and write that down. Okay, the second thing that we need to make sure that you know without a doubt is that the word log written without a base has an understood base of 10. This marker is dying. It's so sad. Let's try this one. There we go. Written without a base is understood to be a base of 10. Okay, so that's like a key thing that you need to know. So if you have log, oh goodness, 100 equals 2, that would translate to this log having a base of 10. So it would look like this. You would put the little 10 as the base, as a subscript, like that. And then it would translate to the base is 10, the exponent is 2, and the answer is 100. So this would be your exponential form. So if there isn't a number written as a base, it's automatically a base 10. Okay. Other vocab that you need to know is that log and ln. Log is called the common log, and ln is called the natural log. And these are used to solve for a missing exponent. And sometimes we can do it with a calculator, and sometimes we can't. We are going to use the ones that we can solve for without a calculator. Those are the ones that we're going to work on in this lesson, and then Ms. Meek is going to show you how to solve for ones with a calculator in the next lesson. Okay? The next piece that you need to know, these are just basic things that I need to make sure that you understand, and that is that ln and e, the natural growth factor, this is natural log, natural growth factor, are inverses. And ln given without or written without a base is uses e as well. Okay, so if you don't get a base on an ln, then you use e as the base. All right, and that's our basic review and vocab, and we are going to move on to doing some examples going from log form to exponential form in the next slide.